You ever get the feeling someone's trying to manipulate you? Yeah, that's all because they are. And the chances are that person is a narcissist. But don't worry, this stops today. In this video, we're going to show you how to take back your power and stay unfazed by narcissists. Whether it's a toxic family member or a so-called friend or partner who thinks gaslighting is love language and understanding how to deal with that situation is crucial, especially for your sanity. You see, narcissists love pushing your buttons. It's like their favourite pastime. They get a kick out of it, winding you up and seeing how you react. And when you do, you're basically handing them a free entertainment. Think of it like giving a junkie a free heroin. Do it once, they'll be back, they'll keep coming back for more. But before you know it, you're stuck in a cycle of endless frustration and they're living rent-free in your head, but not anymore. Today, we're going to talk about how to stay completely unfazed by a narcissist's nonsense. The trick to outsmarting a narcissist. Most people fall into the same trap. We'll call it emotion over mind syndrome. It's when your emotions completely hijack your logic. And before you know it, you're reacting like a contestant on Jeremy Kyle, who just found out their partner has been cheating on them with their cousin. With narcissists, this is exactly what they want. They thrive on your emotional reactions. The angrier you get, the more satisfaction they feel. It's like giving a dog a treat for barking. You're just reinforcing the behavior. Let's say you're dealing with a narcissist who acts like they know it all, they know everything. They spew out the ridiculous opinions with the confidence of a drunk bloke at a pub explaining quantum physics. You know, they're wrong. But the moment you challenge them, boom, they twist the situation so fast, you start wondering if you're the one who's lost the plot. Or maybe they're the type who loves throwing out accusations, spinning stories and making you look bad to others. It's exhausting, isn't it? It's like arguing with a pigeon. It doesn't matter what you say. They're just going to flap about and crap everywhere until they think until they think they've won. The real way to win, is mind over emotion. Trying to convince a narcissist that they're wrong is like trying to teach a cat to do your taxes. Completely pointless. You're not going to change their mind. They love arguing and they love being condescending and they love refusing to cooperate. Think about it. When was the last time you heard a narcissist say, "Oh, good point. I never thought of doing it that way." Exactly. Never. That's why the trick isn't to argue, it's to detach. Not in a passive-aggressive way. Just, I'm not mad. I just think it's funny kind of way. But in a way that keeps you sane. We'll call it delicate detachment. A calm, logical, and slightly bored approach that leaves them scrambling for a reaction that they never get. Now, how to master delicate detachment. Next time a narcissist tries to bait you, remind yourself this. Stay cool. This isn't worth the emotional hangover. Arguing with them is like arguing with a brick wall, except the wall is less annoying. They want me to react, so I won't. Simple. I don't have to be defensive. Their opinion means as much to me as the weather report in a different country. When you approach them with zero emotional investment, they lose interest. It's like when you stop laughing at a bad comedian, they start scrambling. Imagine a narcissist expecting their usual drama, the fix that they're normally going to get. And instead, you just respond with a, okay, cool story, mate. Nice one. Thanks. It's depriving a mosquito of blood. They'll get frustrated and buzz off. Practice makes perfect. Here's the best part. Because narcissists never stop their nonsense, you get plenty of chances to practice. Think about the situations where they've usually just get under your skin. Next time, instead of reacting to that emotionally, pause. Keep your responses short, dull, and unbothered as possible. This doesn't mean that you have to suppress your feelings. You are allowed to be annoyed. Just don't give them the satisfaction of seeing that you're annoyed. If you can do this, you'll find that dealing with a narcissist suddenly becomes a whole lot easier and a lot funnier. Because honestly, once you stop feeding them your drama, or their drama fix, I suppose, they just look ridiculous. It's like watching a toddler throw a tantrum over a biscuit. Sure, yeah, it's loud, it's irritating, but it's also a bit pathetic. So there you have it. Mind over emotion, delicate detachment, and a refusal to play their silly little games. Now, if you found this useful, hit that like button so YouTube knows you want more. And if you really want to take your power back, why don't you just hit that subscribe button and watch out for more videos? Because I'm sure you better find some around here. I'm very sure you better find some around here. You need not look elsewhere, should I say. Need not look elsewhere. But there you go. I'm rambling, and on this note, I will let you jog on. Until next time, peace and love. Lighter's glove.